Welcome friends to Gazelle Creative Studio. My name is Uriel and I hope you enjoyed this video. Take a look at the lantern we're creating today. For this DIY, we will need two heart-shaped trays from Dollar Tree. These cost $3 each. A small wooden heart like this, 6 wooden dowels, and some metal ribbon. First, using tacky glue, we will attach each wooden dowel to the lantern's base. Also, stay until the end of this video as I will share a sneak peek of an upcoming DIY. I removed the clamp because it was leaving marks on the wood, but the dowels alone were able to stay in place with no problem. The next step is to glue the small heart to the top of the lantern and let it dry. Using a ruler, I will find the center and drill a hole to attach the handle. It is time to paint the lantern using this beautiful, soft, and slightly muted pink color by Folk Art. Friends, if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel, as there are some great and unique DIYs coming soon that you don't want to miss. These pieces are nice and dry. Next, I will glue them to form our lantern. So how is this lantern coming along? Now, I will be attaching the handle to the lantern, as you can see here. Next, using a screwdriver and small screws, I will attach the metal ribbon around each wooden tray. To embellish the lantern, I will use this white berry garland. So, do you prefer berries or no berries garland? Let me know in the comments below. Are you guys reading any good books? Do you recommend any? I am looking for a good one. Here is the final reveal. What do you think of this lantern? Did you like it? Let me know in the comments below. Friends, we are on our way to 5,000 subscribers. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to this channel. Thank you to all my subscribers for your kind comments and support. This lantern is for sale. If you are interested, please contact me via Instagram or Facebook. Here's a sneak peek of a DIY coming soon. Enjoy! Thank you for watching and see you at the next one.